Hi Leo, welcome to your reading, and this is for May 21st to May the 23rd, no? So Leo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, no? Meron po tayong Babaylan TV, yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences, no? So, nagla-live din po tayo doon sa kabilang channel. So, kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. No? So, kung wala naman po kayong time, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa video na to sa YouTube as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Okay? So, kung hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no question, so alam niyo na medyo mahaba, there is a link on my website, no? Click the link on the description box and you will be routed to my page. Type in your questions, and then click submit. Just follow the instructions. So meron po tayo itong pang isang tanong, pang dalawang tanong, and we have a promo of 4 plus 1, no? And if you also want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box. Just follow it, follow the instructions. Ayan. So Leo, this is a general reading. All right. So you may resonate with the entire reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. Ayan. So Leo, parang nakikita mo dito na hindi man umaamin itong si person mo na gano'n na rin ka hindi, no, yung kanyang nararamdaman. Pero hindi kasi din napipigilan eh, no? Nakikita pa rin no, kung gaano siya ka-concern sa'yo, no? Pero kasi pag tinanong mo, love mo ba ako? Yung parang pabalang yung sagot. Parang ayaw niya, parang medyo nahihiya siyang sabihin, aminin, no? Nakikita mo na rin na siguro ito na yung makakasama ko. Siguro ito na yung endgame, no? Siguro ito na ang taong panghabang buhay para sa akin. For a few numbers of you ba kasi sabi niya, soulmate kami kasi madami kaming similarities together. With the Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Ten of Swords, for a few numbers of you, meron kayong separations dito, no? Separations can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different barangay, different barrio, no? City, state, county, country, different continent. Ano, ang energetic separations, ito yung parang hindi nag-usap, hindi kayo ngayon nag-uusap, to a point na may naka-block, no? Hopefully hindi naman. So parang medyo na kinakabahan ka because of the separation, no? Mahal pa ba niya ako, no? Yung gano'n. Pero nakikita mo naman kapag may kailangan ka, nandun lang siya. I don't know what is happening with the Ten of Swords, the Star, and the Emperor. Ako, may matigas ang ulo dito, no? May pagka-bossy, no? Itong person mo. And I feel like parang siyang bata na kailangan susuyuin pa, na kailangan aamuhin pa. So, I feel like kailangan na parang gusto niyang bini-baby siya, no? Yung ganong mga drama with the star in here also. Siguro naiinis siya dahil yung attention mo, no, is parang either busy ka, hindi mo siya nabibigyan ng masyadong time. So I'm seeing here age gap, no? Um, well, for a few numbers of you, if this is not age gap, then probably we're dealing or talking about the maturity of the person. What I am seeing in here with the moon card, with the full card rather, so meron ditong parang kahit na kung ano man yung estado niya sa buhay, no? I jump into being risky, no? Pero ngayon, ang nakikita ko kasi, wala namang third party. Parang may napagod lang, no? Napagod lang, probably ikaw, or napagod siya, dahil masyadong intense, overflowing with the Ace of Cups, no? Overflowing ang love na nakikita ko dito. I feel like na meron pang heightened energy kung ano man ang tampuhan na nangyari dito. It just need or requires a little rest, no? Um, And makikita ko babalik na rin ito sa dati. So meron lang tampu-tampuhan no, nagtatampo pa siya kasi nga nawawala yung attention mo sa kanya. And parang nagpapapansin, no? Nagpapapansin itong personal Leo. So, ang zodiac sign na nakikita ko dito, it could be Aries. I can also see, it could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Cancer, Aquarius, and Aries. Aries is napaka-dominant, no? So, this is your card or this is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto niyo po ng sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel din po yun. Pwede kayong magtanong no, dito sa YouTube video sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung meron po kayong mga sabihin natin, hindi kayo masasatisfy dun sa yes or no question, there is a link in the description box para po i-type nyo ang inyong question through form and follow the instructions. Again, meron tayo dun for 1 question, 2 questions, and we have a promotion of 4 plus 1. All right. And if you also want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box. So love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Leo.
You want the best of my heart, you just